The novel The Webs by Virginia Woolf. Critical appreciation. Virginia Woolf, one of the great literary figures of the 20th century, always believes in experiments in art and literature. She says capturing the innermost flame is the most important task of the modern novelist. The Webs is no exception because it represents her most audacious exploration of the possibilities of the novel form. The novel abandons traditional structure and plot of the English novel writing and introduced dreamlike evocation of character. The novel is also known for its stream of consciousness technique or interior monologue, by which the novelist not only enters into the character's mind and report their thoughts but also highlights the perception as they occur with few external clues to provide context. The writer builds her characters from the inside and highlights the very way in which individual personalities and sensibilities are shaped by relationship with others. The rhythmic attachment of monologue makes the novel poetic. Virginia Woolf advocates the modern writers who tries to reveal the extraordinary quality of an ordinary mind on a ordinary day. The novel shows its uniqueness while it follows its six narrative from childhood to adulthood. Virginia Woolf is a concerned with the individual consciousness and the ways in which multiple consciousness can weave together. As the six characters speak, Woolf explores concept of individuality, self, and community. Each character is distinct, yet together they compose a gestalt about a silent central consciousness. Virginia Woolf's most experimental work, The Webs, traces the lives of a group of friends Bernard, Susan, Laus, Rhoda, Jimmy, and their soliloquy from infancy to late middle age, evoking their personality through their reflection on themselves, on on other, and a largely absent colonial administrator. The characters are presented through successive monologues which describe their life from birth to realizations of death. Though their friends gather together on several occasions, they rarely respond directly to each other's words. Though their speech patterns are indifferent, their individuality as characters emerge through their divergent lives and through recurring concerns, phrases, and images. The narrate exists only in the formula said Bernard, said Susan, etc. Bernard, however, assumes a quasi-narratorial role in the final episode. Though the characters' lives are uneventful, the death of Percival and the rhythm of separation and reunion throughout provide the occasions for reflections on the morality both of individual and of the group as a unit. Thus, The Waves is an experimental novel where seven characters' thoughts flow in a series after another. The interior monologues play an important role in creating shape to this novel. The autobiographical cannot be avoided as the novel's characters are very much personal to the writer. Virginia Woolf herself regarded to this novel as a play poem. Thank you very much. For more video upon English literature, subscribe my channel English Literature 360 degree.